to this channel. So today we'll be making fried rice, and without wasting much of your time, first thing I did was to boil my stock. Now this is chicken stock that I used earlier, and if you haven't watched jollof rice, go watch it. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Now first thing I did was to add all my veggies into this. Not all my veggies. Now I added a little bit of seasoning powder, seasoning cube, salt. I added onions, and I added these kidney beans and green peas. Now these are the hard ones, so I like to boil it with the rice basically, and I allow that cook in the juice before adding in little water. Now what I like to do is to go in and add water as need be. I don't like to just pour water at once because this way it can be soggy. And fried rice, I like to cook it so that it won't even get spoiled the next day. While that was done, I went in with my fry pan, added oil, bay leaves. I like to cut this into chunks rather than just putting it at once. I added my curry and thyme in that oil and allow this fry for a bit so that oil can be flavored. Now on that rice, I did not bother to add in oil to it because the chicken stock already has lots of juice and oil from it, so I added oil to this to fry my veggies. Now personally, I have different method of cooking fried rice. It just depends on what I'm feeling that particular day. I have the frying method where I will fry my rice first. I'll link it down below so you could go watch that. I believe I have about 2 different videos on how to cook fried rice, so you might even still see more. You never can tell. Anyways, I went in to season this up again so that the veggies can also be delicious and tasty whenever you eat it. Now this is like the typical Nigerian fried rice, not my seafood fried rice. I have seafood fried rice on this channel as well, which I'll link down below. Now after everything is cooked, I just go ahead to introduce it to that rice, and I like to go bit by bit so that everything can be mixed together. This is just like my regular Christmas food basically. Anyways guys, if you watch this part, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Let me know whatever you want to see next. Feel free to scroll through my channel. I have different things on there, from food to travel vlogs to different content that you might like. Thank you very much for watching again. God bless you. Also, I was supposed to add snail to this, but because the snail was already fried and I didn't bother to do it, so I'll just add it whenever, or rather after I had mixed all of this. I tested it and it was super okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and be fabulous. Bye.